Hi my angels, I'm back. Today I'm going to do a one-bar makeup look featuring IT Cosmetics. I initially didn't plan to title this video makeup that is meant for your blemish skin, but today when I woke up, but the past few days I've been having some really bad breakouts from trying out new skincare products, and I thought, why not? Today I did a makeup look that is meant for those days where I'm having breakouts. Plus I'm also going for some painting workshop, which is super exciting. Let me just show you my painting outfit for a bit. So this is what my painting outfit looks like. I really like this detail. Yeah. Anyway, back to the face. All the makeup products that I'm using today are very suitable for acne prone skin and also for large pores. So if you want to know what products that I'm using, keep on watching. Okay, so I am barefaced. I have applied some moisturizer and also I did my eyebrow and also I applied some lip balm, and that is all. I am going to begin with putting the foundation first. And as you can see here, I had really bad skin. So first I'm going to apply some concealer to cover the blemishes, and I'm going to use this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout. It comes in a doe foot applicator, and I'm just going to apply at the back of my hand just like that, and I am going to use it in the blemishes area. And I'm going to take a small blending brush and sort of tap on the blemished area for better coverage. What I really like about the concealer is that it has some medicinal meant for acne. I think it has salicylic acid, so it helps to dry up the blemishes, and this is why I really love the concealer. I think when we have, really sensitive skin, whenever I have blemished skin, I always use this concealer, and this basically this foundation routine just heals my blemishes really well, and also combined with the skincare, it really helps to heal my skin. So after that, I may come back with the concealer, but now I'm going to continue with the foundation first. And this is the IT Cosmetics Correcting Cream, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a jar. I really love it. This is my second jar already, and I am going to apply it like that. I'm going to tap it out, trying to divide it like that, because I find that this will help it to blend better, because today I'm not going to use any foundation brush. I am going to straight away use my beauty blender. So I think that this application method really makes sure that I don't waste on the foundation. I like to blend it up to my hairline just so that the color looks really blended out, even up to my ear, just a little bit. And these days I've been trying a lot of skincare. Some are good and some give me blemishes. So yeah, I just like to try out new skincare products. Especially, I haven't found an acne spot treatment that really works for me. So usually what I do with my blemishes is that I just leave it to dry by itself. It takes longer, but I just haven't found the right treatment yet. So if you have any good recommendation for acne treatment cream, then please comment down below. So I'm going to add a little bit more concealer again on my chin area, because you can still see there like that. I'm going to tap it with my finger this time. I find that this really helps to build coverage and to layer it without looking too much. Okay, so after the foundation is done, I am going to apply the pore minimizing translucent powder, and this is called the IT Bye Bye Pores. I haven't tried this out yet. Usually I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder. When I saw that it actually stated to erase pores, I had to get it because I have pores around here and around the nose area. Yeah, I am going to... Should I just use the puff? I think I'm going to use the puff this time. Is it working? Do I have like a white streak all over? Okay, I'm just going to like tap the powder just like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter, I'm going to dust the excess off later. Sometimes it works. So I'm going to dust off the excess. Oh my god, I think it really blurs out my pores. Like, can you see any pores around here? Powder is amazing. Are you kidding? Is this real? I really like this powder so far. I think it just sort of like gives that blurred out version. It just blurs out my pores, so I really like that. And afterwards, I'm going to continue with contour, and I'm going to use this Yuvi Sculpted palette. It has 6 beautiful colors, 2 highlighters, 2 bronzers, and this is like, I think you can use it for bronzer / blush. And I'm going to take my contour brush. Oh, I think this is not limited edition. I was actually tempted to either get this one or the other one, which is... Is it too deep? But I'm so happy that I got this one. I really like how pigmented this is. Maybe it's not the right color, but I'm going to go for it. Oh no, what have I done? You know what? I'm going to use my beauty blender. Hopefully this works. So going back to the IT Cosmetics fun fact. So let's talk about IT Cosmetics. And the first product that I got was actually the correcting cream for the Blemish skin. I was so excited when I discovered it, and I came to find out that it is an American brand, but it is manufactured in Korea. And basically they are very much inspired by the Korean beauty trend, where they don't focus on putting a lot of product, and they focus on making sure that the skin looks good first before, and sort of like make the makeup and using makeup and looking at makeup as a beauty enhancer instead of to cover your skin. And I really like that philosophy. So when I try out their products, they are really, really good, like the correcting cream. And then I started to get the concealer, and I love that. And then I even use their eye cream at night, and it's so soothing and it's so cooling. I love it. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use the light contour. I'm going to use this color sort of to like try to diffuse this contour, and I think actually the light contour is more for me. I'm going to contour my jaw so that I have the jaw that can cut like a knife. I'm trying, guys. I don't have jaw, but I'm trying to create it with this. And also I'm going to keep blending this out. I don't think it's working. Don't mind the contour. I mean, for the cheek, I'm going to use this just like a small brush, and I'm going to take that light contour again, and I'm going to contour my nose. I love how pigmented the color is. They are actually so pigmented. And you know how like there's powder where it is just like lightweight? I love it. I don't know if this is made for blemish skin or sensitive skin. I think their makeup range, I mean like this contour palette doesn't really like specify that. I hope they do. I personally don't get blemishes from contour except for one. There's like this one contouring powder bronzer that I've been using for ages. And you know, when I was younger, I wasn't really taking care of my skin, and every time I have blemishes, I always blame the foundation. And then I realized one day when I started to take care of my skin that it was actually the bronzer, and it's the Balm Cosmetics. It was like Bahama Mama. Was it that? The one with the yellow packaging. And I used like, I think that was like the 3rd box that I have used when I realized that it has been causing blemishes all this time. But I really like the color, and when I realized that that caused me breakout, I was so sad. And then I was on the road to like find a good bronzer, and thank God right now I already find a few, but I've been using one that like I use constantly, like every day, and it's so pigmented. I don't need to use a lot. It's basically what I use every day. If you're interested to know what the makeup products that I used the most, then make sure that you comment down below, because I will do that for you. All the products that I'm using, you know, because I have sensitive skin, so I tend to react. Like my skin tends to react really quickly when a product doesn't work. So all the products that I've been using, they are really good and they really suit my sensitive skin. So I think doing that video will really help some of you guys. You know what, guys? I am going to take the bronzer. I'm going to take the foundation again, and I'm going to sort of like put it a little bit. Diffuse the bronzer. Don't follow this trick, guys. It's not healthy. Yeah, I think it's better. So I'm going to take the lighter color for contouring, and this time I'm going to take the light contour and I'm going to contour it slowly this time. I'm also going on my forehead just a little bit. So yeah, going back to the IT Cosmetics, I really love the brand so far. Nothing bad to say. I don't know. Maybe it's just that like the correcting cream is a little small. It only has like 11 grams, and I wish there was more. But that's all. Like the only bad thing about IT Cosmetics is that there's not enough product in a jar. After contour is done, I'm going to take the Radiance highlight over there, and I'm going to sort of like highlight my cheeks and on my nose. And I'm going to take the soft contour as a little bit of like a blush, just like to give a little bit of color on my cheek, to blend out the bronzer and the highlighter together. Okay, moving on to the eye makeup. I'm going to use the It Superhero eyeshadow palette, and look at how beautiful they are. There's like 12 colors over here, and you also get a big nice mirror. And today I'm going to go for a simple eye makeup. So I'm taking the color Powerful right here. It's a really nice soft pink color, and I'm just going to like blend it all over my eyelid just to give a nice color. And next I'm going to go for this color. It's called Fearless. It's a really nice sort of amber, is it amber? Or light brick color. I'm going to apply it on my crease. One thing I can say about the powder eyeshadow though, it's not the most pigmented, but it's very soft. It's not chalky. It's just sort of like, it reminds me of Korean eyeshadow palette, where it has a really nice color, and if you want more color, you need to build up the color. If you're into that, then I think this eyeshadow palette is perfect for you. I like it because I'm doing a softer makeup look, but if I was to do something bolder, then I will go for other eyeshadow palette. Okay, so and to add a little bit of more dimension, I'm going to use this color called Daring. It's just a really nice red chocolate color. And I'm going to apply it at the outer corner of my crease just to give a little bit of dimension. And blend it out again. See, now I really like the darker color because, you know, it's not like crazy, like it's not shocking. And I'm going to take the same color, the Daring color, I'm going to bring it down to create and put it on my lash line just to create a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to use this color. It is Confident, and I'm going to apply it below my eyebrow just to highlight the brow bone a little bit and go on top. This is what I like to do. It really emphasizes my eyebrow and I really like it. Okay, afterwards I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and this is called the Liner Love, and this is waterproof, so I really love how waterproof this is. And I'm taking this slanted brush by MAC and I'm going to apply my eyeliner. And the best thing about this eyeliner is that it is so creamy and glides so easily, and it also comes in dark brown. So if you're looking for something a little bit more natural than black color, they also have brown. I personally always prefer black. And this is what I like to do with my eyeliner. I like to sort of push it on my lash line just to make my eye look even more awake. We're going for a natural eyeliner look, so I'm just going to give a little bit of wink at the end of my eye. Okay, now that that's done, moving on to the mascara. And I'm using this mascara. It's called the Superhero. It's so adorable. I got it in a limited edition packaging, and it comes in a confetti. I actually did a tutorial, like an It Cosmetics one brand tutorial before, and I was like popping the confetti, but I didn't upload it because I didn't like the finished result. That is that. I think I'm going to show you the footage where I actually pop the confetti. Okay, so now the mascara is done. We are almost finished. To finish the makeup look, I'm going to use this lipstick. It is called Blurred Lines, and what's amazing about this lipstick is that it is actually also marketed as blush. So if you're into using lipstick as blush, I personally love using my lipsticks as blush because it just sort of really make your makeup look really matched up, So my everyday makeup routine consists of using bronzer as eyeshadow and also using my lipstick as blush, because it just makes your makeup looks natural and sort of really well thought, because the color really match. And I'm going to apply this lipstick. It's just super pretty. It's one of those lipsticks that you put in your bag because of how fresh the color is, and it's so moisturizing, so you don't have to worry that it will dry your lips. Okay, so the makeup look is done. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you have tried any of these products, let me know what's your favorite and why do you like it. And if you haven't tried any of the It Cosmetics makeup products and also the skincare products, and if you haven't tried anything from It Cosmetics, I really recommend you to try out the brand, especially if you have acne prone skin, because so far their concealer and the correcting cream really works for me. And also I hope that if you have problematic skin, that you find the makeup products and also the skincare that suits your skin, because I know how bad and how hard it can be. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!